Hi guys, here we are at Home Goods. Oh my God, we opened up in the area. So let's take a quick look at what they have, guys. Guys, we have some markdown. So you see the size of these pots over here? These pots were marked down to $12, and look at the size of them, guys. Then you have this humongous one on the bottom. Oh my goodness, it's $59.99 all the way down there. And then you have this one. Let's see. Oh my God, it says Portugal and it's huge. So these pots I can't really move. This one here was marked down to $8, guys. And look at that one. I can't reach that one to see the price, but then you have these over here. Let's see if these were marked down. Let's see. I don't know. Yeah, this one was marked down to 10. Then you have that one back there, and then you have this one. And then I noticed some over here. Like this here, this watering pot here that says Nourish. Let's see, that was marked down to 12. Then you have these two pots here. I'm not sure, $12, these big pots, guys. Those are so nice. Look at the size of them. And this unusual one, this one is made in Italy, guys. I'm afraid to pick that up, but look at it. Gorgeous. Then you have this. And then you have this one. This garden one here is $8. Then you have this part here that's marked down to $8, and then this this hanging here is $8. That's really nice. Look at this one. This is $15. Guys, I'm so excited. I don't even know where to begin. Okay, so over here they have some wreaths, guys. Now, I don't know if these are marked down. Let me see if I could see. Looks like the regular price, $16.99. This is boxwood, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? This one has a frost on it. So not everything is marked down. This is beautiful down here, guys. And now these pots, so it seems like all the pots on clearance. This one here, very heavy, guys. That's $16, and then they have a bigger one to match on the bottom. Then look at the detail on this one. Oh my goodness, I would love to have that. Okay, so this one is $29.99 marked down, and then you have this here right done. Let's see, let me turn this around. This is $14.99. That doesn't have a clearance sticker though. And then this one over here that says Grow. I think that's a watering can. Then this plant stand here is $29.99. And look at this. I think this is Italian too. Then you have a bird feeder. Here's another one. Let's see. They are marked out to $39.99. Then guys, look at this. Right done. It says you grow, girl. I love that. Let's see. Oh my God. Let's see. It is on clearance. $15 for that. Isn't that beautiful? So you have this bird feeder over here and this mermaid right here. I don't know, guys. I don't know. She's pretty heavy. Then you have this hydrangea wreath. Oh my goodness. Look at all this stuff. So let me start over here to scan that for you. So let's see. So these statues over here are $10. I'm sorry, $10 is for this. Okay, I don't think I can pick her up. She's too heavy. So this pot here is $29. Then you have that statue right there for $22. Oh my goodness. I love this store, guys. So this stuff over here is on clearance too. This is like the owls. I think all of this stuff is outdoor stuff, guys. So let's see. This. Okay, so this bird here is $6. So I don't think I can pick him up. Let me see. Maybe I can tilt him a little bit. I'm not sure what he was reduced to. $22. So the owls that go outside, those are $22, guys. And look, you have some orchids, and this is unusual. It's not beautiful. Let me see how much she is. She is beautiful, guys. I can't see. I don't see a tag. She's gorgeous, though. So then over here you have some more wreaths. I don't know if these are on clearance. Let me see if I see. Here they are. Okay. So the wreath, this wreath right here, and it's faux lavender, is $22. Let me double check. $22 for that. And this is just $16.99 with the flip-flops. Isn't that cute? But I don't see it. It's regular price, $16.99. And look at this one back here. Oh my God, I'm loving that. Doesn't that look boho? With the wooden beads. Okay, that's not on clearance either. It's Indonesian and it's $29.99. Then you have these hydrangeas. Isn't that beautiful, guys? So, I don't know. That's just like a hanger. Those are $10. And you have this dog here. Let's see. So these are your pots. I'm just gonna scan that for you, just so that you can see. And now over here you have some more stuff that go, all of this stuff is outdoor, guys. So this frog here is $22. And then I don't think I can turn this stand around to see. Oh, this is metal. Isn't that it appears to look concrete, but it's metal. Okay. Then this frog here, looking through the binoculars, he's kind of heavy. And then you have the bird. Okay, so this watering can. Okay, I can't seem to move some of these. That one, that turtle there is $22. And then these guys here, oh my goodness. I am just so happy. You know, they didn't announce in my area they were opening, guys. So I guess so they don't get bombarded. I'm just gonna scan this for you and then we'll move over to a different section. These were $59.99, guys, and now they're on clearance for $39. Aren't they pretty, these wooden chairs? And then that's what they have on that section there. Okay, so look at this. This is $24.99, guys. Look at the shells on this. Are you, oh my goodness, I've never seen anything like this before. For $24.99, I almost want to say that's a high price. So this table right here is $22 from $29.99. And look at this, it's shaped like a shoe. And here's the elephant, and there's the cat, there's the turtle. They say they're made in Portugal. So then you have some more wreaths over here. How exciting. There's the little dog and the hedgehog and the owl. So I'm just gonna scan that for you guys so you can see. And then you have some more wreaths over here. So now this one here, I don't know. You know, I bought these faux in Dollar Tree, but I don't know what they're called. But one of these wreaths, I think it's one of those yellow ones over there, $15. These are on clearance, guys. Beautiful. Let's see. Okay, so you have this sphere for $15, and then you have this, I'm not sure what this is. And let me just skim through that. Look at this mermaid. So she doesn't have a price for her. But this here says Nourish, and that's a flower pot. Let me see if I can get a price. That one is on clearance, and that's on clearance for $11. That one back there, I love these. Those are 12. These are marked down to 6. And I'm loving this one here. Let's see. That one is marked down to $11. Very pretty. And here are the lemons. Look, we got lemon stuff everywhere. Oh my God. Okay, so this is on clearance too for $10, guys. It's a humongous serving bowl. Then you have the dishes, the ceramic outdoor dishes, shabby chic. What are those? On clearance for $6. And this one has like a bamboo trim. And look at the picture. Oh my goodness. That's beautiful. That's $8 for that picture. So that's there. There's that big platter down there. So let me get around here so I can see what else they have. So these are plastic, guys. These are $3. These melamine are reduced to 6. And you have these kind right here. And this is $5. Okay. So look at these. These are serving spoons. These are $3.99. These are not on sale, guys. And these go. I think that goes with that. Then you have your cups for $2.99. These are all plastic. And look, you have some Virginia peanuts. $5.99. So look at that. Some serving bowls here. And then you just have some other outdoor things. Look at this. This is a succulent plate, guys. Let's see if that's on clearance. Yep, those are on clearance for $3 each, guys. And here's the crab. Isn't that beautiful? This place is packed, guys. I'm trying to stay opposite of everybody else. This is $10. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? Look at these plates. These, and they're Nordica. I have this kind here, and then the platters on top, guys. Look at that. And these are really pretty, and I'm absolutely loving these bags. Oh my goodness, is that on clearance? So these are $10, and that, oh, that one over there reminds me of Kate Spade, guys. Look at that tote. Let me see the price. $10, guys. We'll reduce to $10. Okay, so you have this stand-up. I'm absolutely loving this right here. So these are, this was only reduced $2. These are absolutely gorgeous, guys. I'm loving those. Then here's some branches, and here's some bamboo. See the bamboo sticks, guys? Aren't they beautiful? I just can't get to the price. So then you have some trays down here. Let me scan that for you. Oh, this was here the last time I was here. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Let's see. I think it's on clearance. Oh, I didn't see a clearance tag or a regular price. Look at these. Oh wow, $12.99. So that's gorgeous. Here's a paper towel holder. Guys, look at this. Let me just scan that for you. I love these detailed things like this, these trays, guys, and that's only, I think that's only $9.99, but isn't that beautiful? And the detail on these trays is just gorgeous. Okay, so here you have a wine rack. I can't get to the price, and there's that humongous tier tray. Last time before we even closed, I wanted to get that. That was so nice. And this is like, what is that? Like chicken feet? And then here's like, this is very unusual. Look, this must be like salad fork, $4.99, and then the bowl, and then these are like I don't know, bird feet, I don't know. But anyway, this is made in India. $7.99. So this stuff here isn't on clearance. And here's the matching. Look at this, guys. Isn't that weird? So this is the matching chicken feet. It's like a cake dish or something. I don't know, but I'm loving the wicker stuff. So let's see. I don't see clearance signs for them. I don't know. That's what that looks like, guys. Then I think we should go this way, but let me show you what's behind me. I don't even know what direction to go in, guys. I'm just trying to like show you everything. Okay, so here's the utensil. $7.99. Okay, so these things are not on clearance, and here's the matching spoon rest for $3.99. Then you have these mugs, the cat mugs in this green color, and they are $2.99 each. You have more spoon rests and more canister holders there. Okay, that's what that looks like. So here, these are melamine, set of 4, down to $6. That's a pretty, that's cute. That's a nice style there. Then you have these, Tommy Bahama. They have pineapples on them. They were reduced to $6. Then you have the plates. I don't know, they have these chips on them, but this is what the plates must look like. Here they have some more. Right here. So here, a set of 4. I don't want to pull that out so it doesn't fall. And then these look like paper plates, but they're plastic. Those are $8. I like this. It's plastic though. I thought it was glass. And here's Shabby Chic Outdoor. And this is the other stuff that's on that rack. So here's the blue. The blue section, I call it. The Nautica. Okay, I can't reach that. But let me see, is this Nautica also? I don't know. But this is a set of 4, this style, for $6. And there's a platter back there that's Nautica. I think this is all Nautica stuff. So here's your plasticware, $3 tumbler or cup. These are really pretty. These are $3 each, and then you have this dish and the 3 set of 3 serving dish, and then you have this dish, the tumblers. So it's mi casa. Look at that one. Look at that succulent, guys. I don't know. Okay, this is individual and it's $3 each. There's the turtle ones. I think the turtle ones are $3 each. And then you have some lunch boxes. And look at this whale. Isn't he gorgeous? Wow. So I'm loving the outdoor stuff. So let's see. So here's some more of the Easter wear. You would think this would be on clearance. Let me see. Look at the little bunny on the side of the coffee cup. Isn't that cute? $4.99. This isn't on clearance. So let me just show you. They have the most beautiful, beautiful stuff for Easter. Let me see. This is Ray Dunn. And this is $9.99. So that's not on sale. So you see this coffee cup, guys? Look at that. And inside is the bunny. That's gorgeous. So the Easter stuff is not on clearance, just to show you. That's $4.99. I like this set. It's vintage. Look at that. That's a Ray Dunn, like a hot plate. And look, you have some more stuff down here. So let's see. Over here you have some more Easter. Okay, so let's see. I have this butter dish with a bunny, $7.99. Okay, so yeah, no reductions on the Easter stuff, guys, but I am going to show you from top to bottom. Okay, guys, so you have your pots and your pans here. So I'm just kind of scrolling by. I just want to show you some of this stuff and then head on over to a different area. So you have the stackable coffee cups up here. Let me see if I can show you. These over here. I can't get to a price. And then everything here is all white. So you have Be Kind. Oh, I like this. $3.99. Been doing DIYs with that Be Kind. So that's really nice here. So $5.99. Look at that. That's gorgeous. These are $3.99. And these were reduced down to $3 a mug. Then you have that set up here. This one was reduced to $2.50. Look at how pretty that one is. These are so nice. This is marble. Beautiful, guys. I love that. Look at this one. This is reduced to $2. So some of the things were reduced. This is like my absolute favorite, guys. Isn't that so glam? Let me see if I see.
Do you see that owl?
I don't see. That's not reduced, guys. And then you have some more of this pink. Starting to like that pink. So, guys, there's a lot of people in here. So thank you for coming with me to Home Goods for their grand opening. I am so excited. I'll see you in the next video, guys.